Hi, I'm Caitlin. I'm a stylist here at Tangerine Salon in Coppell. Today we're going to be doing quick DIY Halloween costumes. Our first costume today is going to be an 80s aerobics inspired costume. So to put a little texture in the hair, we're going to start with a little bit of our dry shampoo, which is the Shampoo. And once we get that through the hair, we're going to put a nice deep side part. So for our curl pattern today, we're going to alternate directions. So what that means is on one section, we'll wrap the curl away from the face, and then on the next section, we'll wrap it towards the face. And the goal here is to get lots of volume in the crown, so we're gonna take this section and go horizontal with it. And I let that hair settle on the smallest part of the wand. And then one of the most important things after you curl hair is to let all of your curls cool. So we've done that, and now we're gonna finish off with some air control to give a light hold. And then now we're gonna go through it and break all of her curls up and do some light back combing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take her crown section, brush that up, and give it a nice, clean back comb. Lay that down and do the section right underneath it. And we're gonna go down just to about her occipital bone. That's the round of the head. And then we just smooth out that back combing. And then right here where we're tucking behind the ear to accentuate that side part, we're just going to spray some control force. That's gonna give a firmer hold. And that is it for the hair. On to makeup. So this is our new Aveda lip gloss. This is newly reformulated, and we're gonna be using this today. This is the shade Pepino Melon. All right, and that is it for our 80s aerobics inspired quick DIY Halloween costume. Our second look today is going to be Harlequin inspired. So we're gonna build off of the shape and volume that we put in her hair before, and we're gonna do two classic side pigtails. So to create a nice sleek ponytail, we're going to spray some control force on the hair and then brush it back into our ponytail. So what I'm doing is I am building volume and texture. So I'm spraying a little bit of our air control through and just doing a light back combing to create volume. And then just going through and smoothing some of it out just to keep it nice and framed. And the fun part of this look is fun, crazy hair colors.
It's not really crazy hair.
It's a little crazy. For some people it's crazy. And we're gonna use the texture from that spray to help create added volume. Okay, we're gonna start with blue. Yep. And that completes our at-home DIY Harlequin costume. If you love this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to comment below for any future videos you'd like to see.